Gabriel Tamudzane, whom we all know as Bafui, expressed his sadness about Muvhango coming to an end. So that is what I want us to talk about on this video. But before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. Enjoy this video. I'm certain that you all know by now that there are speculations that Muvhango has come to an end after 27 years, and rumors are this was because of disagreements between the cast, the crew, and the producers. Entertainment commentator Phil Mpela stated that Muvhango had been a headache due to disagreements that I've mentioned above. So the show's producer, Duman Lovo, who has a contract with Mzansi Magic, have decided to quit Muvhango and focus on his Mzansi Magic shows. Shows that he produces on Mzansi Magic are Sibongile and Dlaminis, My Brother's Keeper, Umkoka, and recently Queen Mujaji. So apparently, Duman decided that no man, why must I continue with Muvhango that is stressing me while I have 3 successful telenovelas on Mzansi Magic, which is why I decided to let go of Muvhango, allegedly. So now, Gabriel Tamudzane, whom we know as Bafui, came out and decided to speak about this. I honestly expected him to speak and tell us exactly what is happening, but he did not share that. Instead, he shared his journey on the show. Gabriel stated that it's not easy accepting the fact that the show that he has been part of for a very long time has now come to an end. He further shared his memories and his favorite moments on the show, stating that it saddens him thinking about those moments. He also shared that he will use this to spend more time with his family while exploring new avenues, and expressed his gratitude to fans, adding that Azwindi in the character wouldn't have been who he is if it was not for the viewers and fans of his work. Honestly, ladies and gentlemen, it's so sad that now people are going to lose their jobs. Worst part is that I have never seen Gabriel Tamudzane playing any character on any show except for Muvhango. Worse, I don't even think we as fans could view him as a different character, since we've always known him as Bafui or Chief Azwindini. Tough, ne? And I'm certain that since this news of Muvhango shut down, more actors from Muvhango are going to come out to speak and express their views. And I promise that I'm going to keep you updated on any news regarding the show shutdown. So, for you to stay updated, you need to subscribe to this channel. And apart from that, I would like to request you guys to like this video and share it across your social media platforms like your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, and on TikTok. So with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.